Hey! God. People go finish for Nigeria.
Nobody is not there
The
again.
rate where people take they run. It don't be like say they go for bush meat trap, go put fire. Everybody look out. They say about 143,000 people come out from Nigeria within 9 months. Only for UK. US never bring their own number. Malaysia. Within 9 months, 143,000 people migrate to go another country from another country. What you call past this one? That's, if you calculate for that 9 months, Nigerians will enter UK. Don't they pass population of Iceland? That's small thing. Iceland, give them time. Give Nigerians time.
What type of plane is this? This is plane.
Very soon now, Nigerians when they UK go form their own country over there. At least no go they fall for them. Maybe that UAR way Buhari government proposed that time. Now for abroad they go start up. United African Republic. Nigerian branch abroad. If people can't come out for Nigeria finish like this, Nigeria will come empty. Make I know who politicians go come do wickedness too. They go propose budgets, nobody to oppose them. So you go not say if you do wicked, you are doing it to your fellow politician. People where the thing go pay pass the police. Police go come off for road to do police brutality. Nobody. You go see police, they shout, Kamaru, are you not feeling bored? He say, yes, Oga. Who go do this police brutality on? Now Kamaru go dey suggest, Oga, yes. No, we go do am to House of Assembly members.
What be this?
You go see House of Assembly members carry placard. NSAS. Police will come back and say, fellow Nigeria, nobody is here. Rule yourself. Mamma mia.
Is another danger that has emerged in our electoral process.
No, definitely it's an issue of serious concern that the judiciary now seems to be the one who really get people into elected positions. And unfortunately, the image of the judiciary is also being impugned because of the many allegations of favoritism or to politicians or bribery and other things. So I think the judiciary needs to really begin to put its act together in order to address some of these challenges. No doubt, we cannot deepen and consolidate our democracy if the choice of the people is put aside and replaced by people who get into elective positions through judicial pronouncemements. I think this, in fact, is one of the most serious issues that going forward we need to address. Because it started small, but now it's becoming a very, very big issue. From the celebrated cases relating to primary elections to even now the cases that we are seeing with regards to the way and the manner judgments are given by tribunals, in some cases even being upheld by courts, appellate courts. So this is a very, very serious issue which we have to address. And some of this probably can be addressed with further amendments to the Electoral Act and tightening the legal provisions with regards to the role of the judiciary. But you see, we have an excellent example in India, where over a period of time, since the 1950s, the judiciary tried to remain aloof, literally, from electoral litigations. And in fact, they started doing that while, of course, the Indian Electoral Commission was conducting good elections impartially, without partisanship. And so the judiciary started with a situation in which virtually every case that got to the court was decided in favor of the Electoral Commission. So over time, people now stop even taking cases. Once a pronouncement is made, then it is accepted, and you have to just prepare to contest again, rather than waste money and resources in litigation.
And belabor the judicial
exactly,
process,
yes. But in our own context, we have a lot to do in order to ensure that the judiciary is depoliticized, and also we have people of integrity who can act in accordance with the dictates of their conscience and in the true spirit of the law, rather than pandering to either some partisan interests or some monetary inducements.
I mean, there was the position of someone like Chidiodin Kalu, who described in a very strong language the error that the Court of Appeal said it made in the Kano case, where the last page of the judgment was totally different from the body of the judgment. And those who have already now said, look, this is a clear case of complicity of judges or the courts in manipulating the process, that it needs to, there's need for a thorough investigation into what is going on. But how do we get our judiciary far away from the electoral process? Well, it's the arbiter when anybody is aggrieved can run to. But then if it gets down that 500,000 people voted and all of those votes amount to nothing, and it's now been determined by 3 or 4, 5 judges in the courtroom, how do we ensure that there is some reasonable sanity?
Yeah, excuse me. No doubt from what you have said and from this latest incidents regarding the case in Kano, it's very, very regrettable. It's unfortunate. In addition to Chidi Odunkalu, I have heard and read many distinguished lawyers in Nigeria really being disappointed and embarrassed with that kind of situation. You would expect that courts, particularly at the appellate level, but in all cases, would be very meticulous, and very careful about what they certify and issue as the judgments that they have made. But a situation in which what is issued, a written certified judgment, contradicts the pronouncements made in court while reading the judgment really is very, very unfortunate. So I agree. I'm not a lawyer, but from the political consequences that it has created, I definitely agree that there is need for a thorough investigation of that kind of thing. It may well turn out to be a simple error, but that error has now cast doubts and aspersion about the integrity of those who have issued that judgment. And it is in our own interest and in the interest of the integrity of our politics and even of the judiciary, that an investigation gets to the bottom of what has happened. Maybe since the matter, I understand, will now be going to the Supreme Court, maybe some of these issues may come out there, you know. But whatever is the case, even if it is an error, there is need to identify who caused that error and for appropriate sanctions to be made so that